Hi, this is Jane with Green Biz. We are out in the Green Biz nursery today, and we're going to be talking about plants that flower through the winter. We're starting with our camellias. Camellias, there are two varieties, Sasanqua and Japonica. The Sasanquas began blooming in the fall, probably around October. They will bloom through, say, December. The Japonicas, they will start blooming about December, January, and they will take you all the way into the early spring. And so, if you have one of each variety, you can have flowers all through the fall and into the winter. The nice thing about camellias is that they do grow fairly large, and they will cover up a spot. If you have a spot that you need some coverage, it's a nice big plant, anywhere from 8 to even 12 feet tall. Camellias do need to have some afternoon shade. They cannot be in full sun, either summer or winter. So you just have to keep that in mind when you're placing them. We are now in one of our shade houses here at Green Biz, and we're going to be talking about Mahonias. Mahonias are another plant that keep their leaves through the winter and have flowers. There are a few types of Mahonias. I have in front of me one that's called a Narihara. There's also a soft caress. Both of these varieties have very soft leaves. You can touch them. There are some other varieties, such as the leather leaf, that have more of a pokey leaf, but they will also bloom through the winter. The Narihari and the soft caress are blooming now. The Mahonias that have the those pokey leaves ones, like the leather leaves, they will not start blooming for another couple of months. But if you like yellow flowers in the winter, the Mahonias are a great choice for your landscape. Another winter blooming plant that also is an evergreen is the Japanese Andromeda, also known as Pieris japonica. This plant in front of me has flowers that are in kind of a chain. They're a light pink, very pretty. This plant will bloom late winter, early spring. Gives you those pretty pink flowers just kind of on a chain. Another beautiful evergreen plant that blooms in the winter is the Daphne. The Daphne starts blooming probably January, February. It has an absolutely wonderful smell to it. You buy a Daphne because of the great smell. It has little pink flowers. Unfortunately, I don't have any with me right now. There will be some pictures that you will be able to see on this video. The Daphne will get about 3 to 4 feet tall. It is a lovely winter blooming plant, evergreen, does require some shade. It loves acid soil, so you could plant it underneath your evergreens. The Daphne. We hope that you have learned something from this video about plants that you can have that give you flowers all through the winter. If you have any comments or questions, leave them at the bottom of the video. This is Jane with Green Biz, wishing you a blooming winter.